Hello beauties, I want to show you what I did yesterday. Oh, Jesus, help me. It's good to see. My phone. Guys, look at this wig. My niece is the one working on this wig, but you guys, she has to go back again. Let me show you. She spaced this wig so much. I think you can see gaps, and this wig needs to be packed so much so that we can get the real we can get the real hairstyle we like. So it needs to be packed so much. So I told her to repack it again. And yesterday I worked on the finishing I was telling you about, guys. Let me show you. Oh, the back camera is not turning. So this is what I did yesterday. So today I'm going to work here, fix this. Guys, I was telling you yesterday I worked on this part. So today I'm going to work on this part here. That's our wig. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Welcome to our wig series. Oh, we have to start working. Oh, I'm looking for my needle. Oh, I don't know where I put it. I got my jerry. Let me. You guys, here's mine. So yesterday I did this part, so today I'm gonna do this part. I wanted to do it when you guys are saying, but I don't know how I will manage to do it. I don't know how. So guys, today it's Tuesday, 21st. I'm not really sure. Let me first check my phone. Oh, it's still here. I guess seeing well. Oh my god, you aren't. So guys, I was planning to make Valentine wigs, but time is against me. I might not manage to do it because time is running so fast. Time is running
tall. Today, tomorrow, and forevermore, I'll worship you, my Savior and adore. In every breath, I'll give you my praise. Forever I'll worship in every way. Tomorrow's uncertainties may bring fear and today I lift my voice to sing your praise for the blessings you've bestowed and the love that you've raised. In every moment I'll give you my all. Forever I'll worship standing tall. Today, tomorrow, and forevermore, I'll worship you, my Savior and adore. In every breath, I'll give you my praise. Forever I'll worship in every way. Tomorrow's uncertainties may bring fear and lift my voice to sing your praise for the blessings you've bestowed and the love that you've raised.
Hello my lovelies, our video has come to an end, so this is our final results, guys. Yeah, this is a braided wig. Love ya. Don't forget to subscribe.